Hey, Murphy! I baked a shepherd's pie for our picnic today.
Hey, Rebecca!
Oh, wow! You set it all up!
I sure have. I have everything we need. A blanket, a basket of yummy food, ants... Ants?
Oh, I'm sorry, Murphy, but we can't have a picnic with insects crawling around. And if we can't have a picnic, it means we can't try the shepherd's pie I baked.
It seems like these little ants are causing a big problem. It's all right, Rebecca. We'll find a way to safely get rid of the ants so we can have the picnic and eat your yummy pie.
Sounds great. Because let's face it, nobody wants to eat food with bugs in it.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea! Time to get this place ready for a monster make! Hey! Whoa! Aha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's a fantastic fly in a bowl of soup.
Let's get monster making! Yay!
You got it, Murphy. For this hilarious monster make, you will need a paper bowl, a wooden spoon, a pom-pom, some sticky eyes, card, tissue paper and paint.
Where should we start?
Oh, I know. Let's start by painting the bowl. Now, you can paint it any colour you like, but I reckon a bright blue with loads of yellow dots.
Painty, painty, monster painty!
This is going to be a tasty pea soup, so we need to scrunch up the tissue paper and glue it into the bowl for the soup.
Ooh, scrunchy, scrunchy!
Great scrunching, Murphy.
Thanks.
Now, stick it in the bowl.
Hey, 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 hey!
Now let's use our paintbrush to paint a white swirl on our tissue paper soup.
Extra creamy tissue paper soup!
Murphy, you know what that sound means, don't you?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Let it dry, don't rush, let it dry. Take your time, let it dry, let it dry.
That is one of my most favourite songs yet.
Mine too. I'm loving that tune. Now let's do as the song says and let this dry.
Oh, this is taking ages. Let's just use some monster magic to speed things along.
Oh yes, it's definitely dry.
Great! Now we need to make our fly.
Yes, for this we can use our pom-pom and some paper shapes for wings.
Ooh, don't forget the fly's eyes.
We're using stickers, but you can use paper circles if you want.
Now we glue the fly on the soup and add the spoon. What a super monster make! I'm simply buzzing with excitement. Oh, just like the fly. Ooh.
Why don't you make your own fantastic fly in a bowl of soup and decorate it any way you want?